Today we are going to show you the unpacking of Ozito PXC Impact Driver, 18 volts cordless one, skin only. You can use any of the Ozito batteries with this. It comes with a 5-year warranty, and I'll give you some tips so that you can use it as an impact wrench and no need to buy a separate tool, impact wrench for it. Features of this: fasten screws and bolts with ease. That's what the impact driver does. And it has a quick connect chuck, 150 Nm of torque, all metal gearing housing. It weighs around 1.4 kilograms. I guess is without the battery. So inside the box you get a instruction manual and a clip if you need it. This is the chuck. Comes with LED light so that you can work at night or in dark spots. So if you want to use your impact driver as a impact wrench as well, what you do is, instead of getting a separate impact wrench, you buy one of these adapters. So I got this 1 by 4 inch, 3 by 8 and ½ inch. So now I'll show you how easy it is to put the bits in. So you just pull the chuck out and insert that magnetic tip and you put the bit in and you're ready to go. You can change direction using this button over here to reverse it and drive it in. So let's try one of the screws. And to put the screw back. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how you can use your impact driver as an impact wrench. There's no need to get another tool, spend hundreds of dollars. Instead, you can get an adapter. This is what it looks like. One I got is Irwin. Different products come in the market. The difference between an impact wrench and driver is impact wrench can be used to undo bolts and put bolts in. So I'll just demonstrate. So once you have this adapter, you just put it in the chuck and one of your sockets. This is not a impact socket, so you should get one, I think something colored like this, impact socket, but just for demonstration purpose, let's try a bolt using this impact driver, which I converted as an impact wrench. So let's try undoing this bolt. See, it comes off. Okay, to summarize, the impact driver Ozito one is quite handy tool which can be doubled up like a impact wrench, and I'm quite happy with it.